welcome to my channel once again. And if today is your first time, consider subscribing, and also don't forget to share the channel. Alright, so if you are interested in data analytics and programming, then this channel is the right channel for you. Without wasting my time, let's go straight into the classroom.
Hello, welcome into the classroom. And in today's SQL for Data Analytics class, we're going to talk about stored procedures or stored procedure. So stored procedure is a prepared SQL statement or code which can be saved and reused. So in this example, we are going to create a stored procedure which we will use to call all students. Okay, so to do that, I have these codes. So create procedure, select all students as select all from students, then go. So this creates the stored procedure. Let me execute this. I have an error. Okay, so I already have this stored procedure saved, and if I want to call this stored procedure, I'll just use the execute or the exec command to do that. So if I select this, it will call all records in the students table. So by this, all that it means is that I want to select I have stored this procedure, so whenever I call this, it acts as a function that selects all records in the students table. So basically the select statement has been stored into this function. So let me change it to the select F name, L name, and age. Then let me change this to select students age. Okay, then let me change this to select student age. So before this can run, I need to save this into the database. So now it's saved into the database. So whenever I call this, it will execute the first name, last name, and age. So this helps us to create SQL codes and store in the database that can be used whenever we want to query that records. Very simple. So stored procedure are handy in SQL. Right, thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so, and if you've subscribed, thank you, and don't forget to share the channel as well. See you in the next lecture.